Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, we will talk about Jupiter retrograde motion. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till whole year of 2023. Means Jupiter comes back to its direct motion on 1st January 2024. First of all, let's discuss about what is Jupiter. Jupiter controls generally two signs in astrology, Sagittarius sign and Pisces sign. Sagittarius sign is in chronological order, it comes on the 9th number and Pisces sign comes on the 12th number. So Jupiter controls two signs in our birth chart, Sagittarius sign and Pisces sign. Jupiter generally represents yellowish color. Jupiter is pale yellowish color is represented by Jupiter. It's like a haldi color. I don't know what is called haldi in English, but Jupiter represents haldi color in astrology. Jupiter generally represents wisdom. Jupiter generally represents knowledge. Jupiter represents your guidance. Jupiter represents your teacher. So simple remedy of Jupiter. If someone is currently running through Jupiter time period in their birth chart, if you know your birth chart, and if you are getting some bad result, so you can perform a simple remedy. Then it will nullify the bad effect of Jupiter slowly, but surely it will nullify the bad effect of Jupiter if you are getting some bad result, because Jupiter represents your teacher, Jupiter represents education, Jupiter represents knowledge. If you learn anything from any person, you should respect them, because Jupiter wants respect, Jupiter like respect. So if you give respect your advisor, your teacher, Jupiter is like a strict teacher. Jupiter wants you to give you all the blessings. Jupiter wants you to give you all the things, because Jupiter generally in astrology represents blessing. Jupiter is called the planet of blessing in astrology. But Jupiter wants respect. Like your strict teacher, Jupiter always wants respect. If you don't respect your teachers, your advisor, then Jupiter will give you bad result. So that is the simple remedy of Jupiter if someone getting a bad result of Jupiter in their birth chart. So right now we are discussing about Jupiter retrograde motion. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023. So let's discuss Jupiter retrograde motion for all the ascendant one by one. First of all, let's discuss about Aries ascendant. For Aries ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 12th house and your 9th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your first house, means in the sign of Aries. And Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till 1st January 2024. 9th house deal with your travel related matter, 9th house deal with your knowledge, 9th house deal with your higher studies, means post-grade education is seen from 9th house, your religious matter is seen from 9th house, your religious activities are also seen from 9th house, your religious belief is also seen from 9th house, your long distance travel is also seen from 9th house, pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. 12th house deal with your expenses, losses, your spirituality related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your foreign settlement related matter is also seen from 12th house. Your sleep pattern, your long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So right now your 12th house lord and your 9th house lord is moving in your first house and about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2020. So we can expect if you are trying to move from your birthplace to some different country, this time will prove very beneficial for you people, because right now the positions of planet in transit for you people is showing you just to move from your birthplace, then you will get the chance to move from your birthplace to some different country and you will settle there with ease, because your 12th house lord is moving in your ascendant, means your planet which controls your foreign related matter and your foreign settlement related matter is moving in your ascendant, means in your house, in your first house. So we can expect these related. Also Rahu is moving in your first. Rahu also represents foreign things. So we can expect you will get good result regarding your travel related matter after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Also, whenever Jupiter is moving in any sign, Jupiter expand the significance of that house. So we can expect you may gain weight after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, because Jupiter is right now moving in your first house and Jupiter also rule fats in your body. So Jupiter expand everything. So we can expect you may gain weight after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. So you need to be take care about your food intake habits. Also, if you are right now doing some post-grade education and you are taking part in some religious activities, so we can also, as you will get good result regarding your education related matter as well when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Aries ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Taurus Ascendant. For all the Taurus Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 8th house and your 11th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your 12th house. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life. Major transformation in life is seen from 8th house. Your hidden activity from 8th house. Your unearned money is also seen from 8th house. Your joint account with your spouse is also seen from 8th house. 11th house deal with your friend circle, your professional network circle, your gains, your incoming gains means your salary, your profits in life in bulk is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 8th house and 11th house lord is moving in your 12th house. 12th house deal with expenses, losses, foreign settlement, your spirituality related matter, your sleep pattern, your dreams is also seen from 12th house, your donation and long-term investment is also seen from 12th house. So we can expect that you will spend a lot of money when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion after 5th September 2023, because as we discussed previously, Jupiter expand everything and right now moving in your house of expenses and house of losses. So we can expect your expenses will be high after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Also, you may get some gains as well from foreign land if your brothers, sisters, and your cousins are living in abroad, because 11th house also deal with your elder siblings. And right now, moving in your house of foreign settlement and foreign land. So we can expect you may get some gains, you may get some money related gain related to foreign land when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion after 5th September 2023. Also, Jupiter controls your 8th house and 8th house lord is moving in your 12th house. So we discussed previously in our monthly prediction video, 6th, 8th and 12th house considered as naturally malefic house in astrology. One naturally malefic house lord is moving another naturally malefic house. It's considered as good position for the period because negatives cancel each other out. So we can expect you may get some good result regarding your unexpected gain. You may get unexpected gain related to foreign land as we discussed previously. And we can also expect if you're involved in some religious activity or related matters and some spirituality related matters. So we can expect you will also get good result regarding your spirituality related matter and your religious related matter when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion after 5th September 2023. So we can expect these results for all the Taurus ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Gemini ascendant. For all the Gemini ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 10th house and your 7th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your 11th house in the sign of Aries where Rahu is already moving. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till whole year of 2023. 7th house deal with your marriage related matter, your spouse, your relationships in general, your business partnership, how you meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. Your fame is also seen from 7th house along with 10th house. 10th house deal with your work related matter, your authority in life, your authority in career, your respect in career, how far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. So 10th house lord and your 7th house lord is moving in the house of gains, means 11th house. 11th house deal with your elder siblings, your gains, your network circle, your professional network circle, your hopes and wishes. So we can expect good result for all the Gemini ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. A lot of gain related to your work related matter. You may get some promotion, some increment. You may get some promotion, some increment when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, because 10th house lord is moving in the house of gain, in the house of appreciation. Jupiter also controls your 7th house and 7th house lord is moving in your 11th house. It will create a good position for your marriage related matter, because from 11th house Jupiter is expecting your 7th house, means Jupiter expecting its own house from 11th house, house of gains. So we can expect you may get good proposal, good relationships after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion in your 11th house. So we can expect these results for all the Gemini ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Cancer ascendant. For all the Cancer ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 9th house and your 6th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. 9th house deal with your father, your teachings of your father, your teachers is seen from 9th house, your post-grad education means your higher education is seen from 9th house, your travel related matter is seen from 9th house. Your pilgrimage is also seen from 9th house. 6th house deal with your conflicts, your argument, your fights, your competition, competitive exams is also seen from 6th house. Your daily routine is seen from 6th house. Your court cases, your litigation, your debt means your loans is also seen from 6th house. So right now your 6th house lord and your 9th house lord is moving in your 10th house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till the whole year of 2023, means till 1st January 2024. So we can expect good result regarding all the Cancer ascendant people because Jupiter is moving in your 10th house, and as we discussed previously, Jupiter expands the significance of that house where Jupiter is moving. So right now Jupiter is moving in your 10th house, so we can expect you may get good result regarding your work related matter and your career related matter. But also Rahu is moving in your first house till October 2023. Be careful when you're dealing with your bosses, your superior till 30th October 2023, because after 30th October 2023 Rahu will move to your 9th house. So we can expect you may get good result regarding your work related matter till the whole year of 2023, especially after 30th October 2023. Also, Jupiter controls your 9th house. 9th house will be your luck related matter. Your fortune is seen from 9th house. Your religious matter means 9th house considered as a positive house in astrology. And right now, 9th house lord is moving second places away from itself. And second house from every house considered as gain of that house. So we can expect you may get good result regarding your work related matter, your career related matter. You may growth a lot when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, and also we can expect you may get some increment, some promotion at your workplace and at your job. Jupiter also controls your 6th house, as we discussed previously. 6th house deals with your court case, litigation, and daily routine, and where you go daily to do work is seen from 6th house. Means which place you are going. Like all the Cancer ascendant people, Jupiter is control your 6th house, and right now Jupiter is moving in your 10th house. So as we discussed previously, if you are right now dealing with some court case, some litigation, some competition, you will get good result regarding all of these matter. Things will turn into your favor after 5th September 2023. So we can expect positive result for all the Cancer ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion in your 10th house. Now let's talk about Leo ascendant. For all the Leo ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 8th house and your 5th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your 9th house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till whole year of 2023. 8th house deal with your sudden events, your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your health, your psychological issues is also seen from 8th house, your hidden activities, your extramarital affairs, your secret relationships also seen from 8th house, your sexual activities are also seen from 8th house. 5th house deal with your love relationship, your children, your fiance, your girlfriend, boyfriend, your mental abilities, your planning ability, how smart you are is seen from 5th house, how genius you are is seen from 5th house. So right now, your 5th house lord and 8th house lord is moving in your 9th house, and Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September. So we can expect you may get good result regarding your love relationship and your education related matter, because 5th house deal with education and 9th house also deal with higher education. And right now your 5th house lord is moving in 9th house, means 1st, 9th and 5th house considered as most positive house regarding your knowledge, regarding your education. And right now your 5th house lord is moving in your 9th house, so we can expect great result regarding your travel related matter, your education related matter. If you have children right now, so we can also expect good result for your children and their life, because your 5th house lord is moving 5th places away from itself. If we count from 5th house, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9, means 9th house becomes 5th places away from 5th house. So we can expect good result for regarding all the matter we have just discussed. Jupiter also controls your 8th house, and 8th house will be sudden event. 8th house will be sudden ups and downs in life. So, and right now moving in your 9th house. 9th house will be fathers and teachers and father figures in your life. So you need to be take care about your father's health and your teacher's health and your elders' health. And when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion after 5th September, because Rahu is in your 9th house, and Rahu create disturbance regarding the significance in which Rahu is moving. So you need to be careful regarding your father's health, your teacher's health, and your elders' health as well when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Leo ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Virgo ascendant. For all the Virgo ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 7th house and your 4th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your 8th house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till 1st January 2024. Seventh house deal with your marriage related matter is seen from seventh house, your spouse is seen from seventh house, your relationship is seen from seventh house, in general, your business partnership is seen from seventh house, how you meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others is seen from seventh house, your fame is also seen from seventh house along with 10th house. So right now your seventh house Lord and fourth house. Fourth house deal with your mother related matters, your health of your mother, your relationship with your mother is seen from fourth house, your emotions is seen from fourth house. How much peace do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. How much comfort do you have in your life is seen from fourth house. Your property related matter is seen from fourth house. And right now your fourth house Lord and your seventh house Lord is moving in your eighth house. So first of all, we can say you need to be very careful regarding your mother's health and mother's related matter after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, because your fourth house Lord is moving in your eighth house and Rahu is also moving in your eighth house. Take care of your mother's health when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Also, if you're trying to sell your property and sell property after Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, then you need to be wait this time. Then you need to wait till Jupiter come back to its direct position. Means you need to wait till the whole year of 2023. After Jupiter will come into direct motion, then you can purchase your property, your vehicle, because your fourth house Lord will be moving in your eighth house and will be in retrograde motion. And eighth house is not considered very well in astrology. Eighth house create disturbance, eighth house create psychological problems, eighth house create losses. Positive event is also seen from eighth house, certain negative event is also seen from eighth house. So we can expect need to wait till Jupiter come back to a direct motion if you're trying to sell or buy some property. Also, Jupiter controls your seventh. So your seventh house Lord is moving second places from itself and right now moving in your eighth house and about to turn into its retrograde motion. So we can expect positive result regarding your marriage related matters and your in-laws related matter, because your seventh house Lord is moving in your eighth house. And also you need to be take care of your health related matter as well, because your fourth house Lord is also moving in your eighth house and fourth house also deal with your emotions. We can expect these results when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion for all the Virgo Ascendant people. Now let's talk about Libra Ascendant. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your sixth house and your third house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your seventh house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. Sixth house deal with your court cases, sixth house deal with your conflicts, sixth house deal with your argument, sixth house deal with your fight. Your loans is seen from sixth house, your daily routine is also seen from sixth house. Third house deal with your communication, your neighbors, your childhood friend is seen from third house, your skills is seen from third house, your efforts is seen from third house, your younger brother and sister is seen from third house, your basically your communication and communication skills is seen from third house. Right now, your third house Lord and your sixth house Lord is moving in your seventh house. First of all, we can expect you need to be take care of your marriage related matter and your relationships when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, because in your chart Jupiter controls your sixth house, house of conflict, house of argument, house of fight is moving in your seventh house, house of marriage. Also, Jupiter controls your third house, means you may face a lot of argument, a lot of verbal disturbance with your spouse and your business partnership when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion, especially till 30th October, because till 30th October, Rahu is also moving in your seventh house, and after that, Rahu will move to your sixth house. So we can expect some for you people in your marriage related matter. But still you need to be take care of your relationships and your marriage if you're married right now, because your sixth house Lord Jupiter is moving in your seventh house, means if it's some legal matter related to your marriage when Jupiter will turn into retrograde motion. So you have to be take care of your relationship, especially till 30th October if you want to continue your relationship. We can expect these results for all the Libra Ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Let's discuss about Scorpio Ascendant. For Scorpio Ascendant people, Jupiter controls your fifth house and your second house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. Second house deal with your family lineage is seen from second house, your food intake habits are seen from second house, your speech is seen from second house, all the matter related to family is seen from second house, your savings, your money matters, means your bank account is seen from second house. Fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship, your engagement, your fiance, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your early education, your abilities, your planning abilities, how smart you are is seen from fifth house. So right now your fifth house Lord and your second house Lord is moving in your sixth house in the sign of Aries, where Rahu is already moving. So the sixth house little bit acute diseases, means daily basis diseases is seen from sixth house. Also, sixth house deals with conflict. So we can expect you may face some conflict, some argument with your family members on some issue because your second house lord is moving in the house of conflict. Also, Jupiter controls your fifth house, and fifth house deal with your children, your love relationship. And right now, moving in your sixth house of argument, house of conflict. So you need to be take care of your love relationship, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, if you have one. Because we can expect you may face some argument, some disturbance, and some differentiation in your ideas when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. So we can expect these results for all the Scorpio ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Sagittarius ascendant. For all the Sagittarius ascendant people, Jupiter controls your first house. Means Jupiter is very important planet for you people because Jupiter is your ascendant lord. And also Jupiter controls your fourth house. First house deal with you, your personality, your all matters of your life is seen from first house. Means major matters of your life is seen from first house. Your personality, your physique, your looks is also seen from first house. Your fourth house deal with your mother, your home related matter, means your physical home, your property is seen from fourth house. Your emotions is seen from fourth house. How much conveniences you have in your life is seen from fourth house. So right now your fourth house lord and first house lord is moving in your fifth house in the sign of Aries, and Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till whole year of 2023. So we can expect positive result for you people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion because your ascendant lord is moving in your fifth house. And fifth house considered as more, and fifth house and ninth house and first house considered as most positive house in astrology because these houses represent knowledge. And right now your ascendant lord is moving in your fifth house, so we can expect positive result regarding your education related matter, your children's related matter, and your love relationship as well. But you need to be take care till 30th October because till 30th October Rahu is also moving in your fifth house. After that Rahu will move to your fourth house. Then after 30th October we can expect most positive result for you people regarding your children's related matter, your love relationship, and your marriage related matter. If you have some love relationship during that time, we can also expect you may convert that love relationship into marriage because ascendant lord is moving in your fifth house and aspecting your ninth house. Mercury, your seventh house lord, means a lord of marriage, is also moving in your ninth house in retrograde motion till 15th September. So we can expect these results for all the Sagittarius ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Capricorn ascendant. For all the Capricorn ascendant people, Jupiter controls your 12th house and your third house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your fourth house. Fourth house deal with your mother, your home, your property, your comfort in life, your conveniences in life. Now, 12th house deal with your expenses, your losses, your foreign settlement related matter, your spirituality related matters, and your long-term investment is seen from 12th house. Also, your donations is seen from 12th house. Third house deal with your communication skills, your neighbors, your cousins, your efforts is seen from third house. Your hand is also represented by third house, but mainly your communication and your communication skills is seen from third house. So right now, your third house lord and 12th house lord is moving in your fourth house. So we can expect if you're trying to move from your birthplace to some foreign land during that time, we can expect you may get some chance and you may have some good result regarding your foreign settlement related matter and your foreign related matter because your 12th house lord, means foreign settlement lord, is moving in your homeland, means you in your fourth house. So we can expect you may travel abroad or you may travel a lot, you travel some distance places after Jupiter will turn into a retrograde motion. Also, Jupiter controls your third house. Third house deals with your communication, your cousins, your neighbors, your younger siblings. And right now, your third house lord is moving second places away from itself. So we can expect positive result regarding your younger sibling related matters. And they will flourish in their life because your third house lord is moving in your fourth house. And for all the Capricorn ascendant people, we can also expect you may invest some better during that time because as we discussed previously, 12th house is also deal with long-term investment, and right now long-term investment lord is moving in the house of property. So we can expect these results for all the Capricorn ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Aquarius ascendant. For all the Aquarius ascendant people, Jupiter controls your second house and your 11th house. And right now, Jupiter is moving in your third house. Second house deal with your family lineage, your family history, teachings of your family is seen from second house. Your food intake habits are seen from second house. Your speech is also seen from second house. 11th house deal with your elder siblings, your gains, your friends, your professional network circle is seen from 11th house. Your gains in life is seen from 11th house. Your profits in life is seen from 11th house. Your hopes and wishes, and fulfillment of hopes and wishes is also seen from 11th house. Your elder siblings is also seen from 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord and second house Lord is moving in your third house in the sign of Aries, and Jupiter is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till the whole year of 2023. So we can expect after Jupiter will turn into a retrograde motion, you may arrange some event or you may arrange some get together with your cousins and your family members, because your 11th house Lord is moving in your third house, 7th house and 11th house. It also deal with your meetings, means your get together and your gatherings also seen from 3rd, 7th and 11th house. So right now your 11th house Lord is moving in your third house and expecting your 7th house and 11th house as well. So we can expect you may arrange some good event at your home and with your cousins and with your circle and your friend circle, because you're present in your third house and expecting your 7th house and 11th house. Also, Jupiter contributes to the second house, and second house Lord is moving in places away from itself, means second house Lord is moving. So we can expect positive result regarding your money matters, regarding your savings, regarding your family matters. But you need to take care of your communication related matters, because Rahu is also moving in your third house with Jupiter till 30th October 2023. So till 30th October, you need to be careful regarding your disturbed communication, regarding your argument. You need to be control your communication. You need communication till 30th October when you're dealing with your cousins and your family members, because family members Lord is moving in your third house, in the house of communication with Rahu. So we can expect these results for all the Aquarius ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Now let's talk about Pisces ascendant. For all the Pisces ascendant people, Jupiter controls your first house and your 10th house. And right now Jupiter is moving in your second house in the sign of Aries with Rahu. It is about to turn into its retrograde motion on 5th September 2023 and will stay retrograde till whole year of 2023 in your second house. First house deal with you, your personality, your general health is seen from first house. All the matter related to you and all the aspects of your life is seen from first house. Your nature, your physique, your looks is also seen from first house. 10th house deal with your career, your work environment, your work colleague is seen from 10th house. Your authority at your workplace is seen from 10th house. How far you can go in your career is seen from 10th house. Your fame is also seen from 10th house. So right now your 10th house Lord and first house Lord is moving in your second house, in the house of saving, in the house of family, in the house of family lineage. Your values, means your value system is also seen from second house. So we can expect positive result for your career related matter and your personality and your health related matter, because your first house Lord is moving in second house, means first house Lord is second places away from itself, and second house from any house is considered as gain of that house. So we can expect positive result for your health related matter and your personality related matter. Also your 10th house Lord is moving in your second house, so we can expect you may get some fame, you may get good result regarding your work related matter, whatever you are doing right now, because Jupiter will turn into a retrograde motion from second house. Jupiter expecting its own sign in your 10th house. So we can expect positive result for your fame related matter, for your work related matter. You will get very good result regarding all the matter related to you and your work, because your first house Lord and 10th house Lord is moving in your second house and expecting your 10th house. So we can expect positive result for all the Pisces ascendant people when Jupiter will turn into its retrograde motion. Our today's video, Jupiter retrograde motion for all the ascendants from 5th September 2023 till the whole year of 2023 ends here. I hope you will like this video and this video will prove helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.